Most aircraft are equipped with either a 14 or a 28 volt direct current DC electrical system. A basic aircraft electrical system consists of the following components: alternator, generator, battery, master, battery switch, alternator, generator switch, bus bar, fuses and circuit breakers, voltage regulator, ammeter, load meter, associated electrical wiring. Engine driven alternators or generators supply electrical current to the electrical system. They also maintain a sufficient electrical charge in the battery. Electrical energy stored in a battery provides source of electrical power for starting the engine and a limited supply of electrical power for use in the event the alternator or generator fails. The electrical system is turned on or off with a master switch. Turning the master switch to the on position provides electrical energy to all the electrical equipment circuits except the ignition system. Equipment that commonly uses the electrical system for its source of energy includes position lights, anti-collision lights, landing lights, taxi lights, interior cabin lights, instrument lights, radio equipment, turn indicator, fuel gauge, electrical fuel pump, stall warning system, pitot heat, starting motor.